how to share a YouTube video on other social media platforms. Hi, my name is Michael, and today we are looking at copying a YouTube video link and posting it on various other social media outlets so you can repurpose your content. So let's have a little look. So it's really important to make sure that you don't just upload a YouTube video, that you are actually repurposing that content and posting that content on various other social media outlets. Like Facebook is a great way to copy and paste a video from YouTube to your Facebook account. Another way is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is really good in terms of copying and pasting YouTube links onto that social media platform. And also websites. You also can embed your video into your website. Or you can copy the link usually and paste it if you've got like a managed WordPress or you've got a Squarespace account. It gives you the option to be able to copy and paste that link from YouTube so you can embed it onto your website, which again is really, really good. So we're going to look at how we do those things by watching this tutorial. So the first thing we need to do is we need to log into YouTube, and we need to go to the top right hand corner and we need to go to your channel. And when we go to our channel, we will see the videos that we've uploaded recently. I'm just going to click on my latest video. And what we're going to do is I'm going to press this little share button here, and it's going to open up this page. Now you can click on the icons above if you want to share it to Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit or Tumblr. It gives you some more options as well when you scroll. Pinterest, LinkedIn. But it is pretty much easier to just copy this little code here, which is the web address for that video. And you just press copy, and that's now copied to your clipboard. And then we're going to go up here. We're going to go to Facebook. And then we are going to just paste it into our status update just here. And that should load the preview with the thumbnail to the video on YouTube. There we go, how to subscribe to other people on YouTube. So we're just going to get that link and press delete. And then we're going to type how to subscribe to others on YouTube, and then just put hashtag looking for video, which is my personal hashtag. And then we're just going to press post, and then now that will post that video which is embedded on YouTube to your Facebook, and you can do that on LinkedIn as well. If we just go to LinkedIn, we make a post, we do the same thing there, and it'll just load the preview, and then we just select all of that and just put how to subscribe to others on YouTube. There we go, and then all you do is press post, and then that will just embed it again onto LinkedIn. And that is how you share a video from YouTube to your other social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you found a lot of information usable. If there's anything that I've not covered, please feel free to drop a comment below and I will make sure that I get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, because I do share a lot of videos on how you can use video for social media. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.